Assalamu alaikum. My name is Nahin Chowdhury, and today I will be showing a demo of my project, which is an online home renting platform. I have named it Share Home. So here you can, here the user can log in and rent a place where they want to stay temporarily, or they can host a place, host multiple places if they want for other people to stay, and in this way they can earn money. So there are two types of users for my website. The first one is the people who want to book a place and the people who want to host a place. So at first, let's log in. So I have, let's give test one. Oh, I will create a new account. So 1, 2, 3, 4, sign up, and it says user created. Now you can log in. Okay, so I'm logging in. So after I log in, so if I want to book a place, I search for the place where I want to stay. For example, Dhaka. So here the calendar will pop up where I can choose the number of days I want to stay and also the number of guests. So after this, I press the search button. So when I search for the place, then all the available places will show up, including the location in the map. I have used the Google map for this. So here are the locations of these places. So I can see the picture, I can see the title, the description, the rating, and also the prices given by the owner. So suppose I want to check out this place. So as I can see, the location, the information, the amenities, also the location here. So if I like everything about it, I can reserve this. So after confirming, it says reserved successfully. So I have reserved this place. So now if I go to booked places, then the there is an error here. So I haven't figured out how to solve this error. So so this is the first one. So now if we want to host a place, so I have to come here. So become a host. So it will then this page will come up where I can start hosting any place I want. So I can choose the type of place. For example, let me choose apartment. Then I can say it's a rental unit. Then I can say what type of space will guest have. It's an entire place. Then I can choose the place in a map. For example, it's somewhere here in Bonani. Next, then I can give the street address, road 4. I can give the apartment number, the city, the state, the zip code, and the country. So after all that, I can press the submit button. Then click on next. I can choose the number of guests, the number of beds, and click on next. I can also choose a picture. For example, I'm choosing this one, and then I click on next. I can create a title. For example, then I can give other amenities like it has a pool table, barbecue grill, washer. Choose some of the amenities and then click on next. I can also give a description. Click on next, and I can also set the price. So it's since it's Bonani, it's kind of expensive, and review your listing. So after I review my listing, I can publish it. So now I have hosted a place. So if I go here, I can see a list of my hosted places, but unfortunately there is a server error here. so 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 this is it for my website. Now let's check out the codes. So here, as you can see, this is here is the controller part, here is the model section, and here is the view section. So for the front end I have used Next.js, and for the backend I have used Node.js. So in the front end, if we go inside, we can see, let's check out the pages. So here I have, so these are the pages, different pages of my website. For example, booked places, then there is hosted places, there is the hosting details here, and then let's check the controller. Here we have 4 controllers like appointment, host, search results, and user. Before the controllers, let's see the routes first, because I think it will be easier to understand what these controllers are for. So in the routes, I have used different types of routes like search result, add place, edit place, create user. I have showed some of the functions in my website. These are all connected to these redirects us to each of these respective controllers. For example, these add places connected redirects to the host controller. So if we go to the host controller, we can see the add place code right here, and this is this controller is connected to the database. This controller is connected to the model, which is connected to the database. So the model part does all the heavy lifting, like connecting to the database and fetching data and inserting data into the database. For example, let's check the create place create place section in the model, like it's in the host model. So if we go here, we can see the create place. So here it's connecting to the database, then we can set the title, the description, and also the price, and it will return us with the result, which we can view in the front end section, in the pages section, in the view section. So this is it for my presentation. Thank you very much.